Florida is a great place to live, especially in those cold winter months. If you're living up north, it's a great place to purchase and invest in a second home. If you're thinking of doing so, here are some steps that might help you. First of all, create a budget. Determine how much you're willing to spend. At this point, you should contact lenders if you are going to borrow money and get that lined up because it may affect the amount of money that you're able to spend. The location of your property is important too. And you may want to consider finding a professional realtor with a lot of experience that knows this area well at this point that can show you around the areas that you might want to consider. A lot of things to consider: water, golf, amenities. Those can all affect where your home is located. What type of property do you want? Do you want a condominium that's easier to walk away from for a period of time? A single family home with a pool? How large of a home do you want? You also, with a condominium and many other homes, have to take into consideration the amount of the HOA fees. Are you willing to look at a home that may need some work? Are you handy and you could take advantage of something that would be a really great investment if you could put some work into it? Shop around, look, see a lot of things. Being able to make comparisons is the best way to make sure that you're finding the right home for you. So shop around, find the home, make an offer. Then of course you have to go through the closing process, inspections and title and lending and all of the things that go with closing a property. And then you just move into your new home in paradise. And it's that simple. Call me if you'd like to review this process. I'd love to help you.